Hello everyone, I'm Nancy Ogbebor and you are welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'll be showing you how I made this yummy and easy pasta recipe, and if you want to see how I achieved this, please keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a like. So my pan is on the heat now. I'll be heating this vegetable oil for a few minutes and I'll be adding in my onion, and this is one onion bulb diced. So we'll be stirring this to cook it for about few minutes so this onion will be soft and translucent. And I'll be adding in my fresh tomatoes, and these tomatoes I used about 4 seeds of fresh tomatoes for it. So we'll stir and allow it to cook for a few minutes, and this color is so amazing. So you allow it to cook for about few minutes, and I'll be adding in my habanero pepper, and I use 2 seeds of habanero pepper for this recipe. Please don't forget to use the one you can tolerate. So we'll stir this to cook for a few minutes so that the taste of the pepper will go off this recipe. So I'll be adding in my 2 seasoning cubes, and I'll add in my curry powder and my thyme. This will give it a good aroma. Okay, so we'll stir this. My meat, and this meat is cooked and well seasoned and also fried too. So we'll stir this to combine, and I'll be adding in my stock water, and this is the water I use in cooking my beef. So you can use any one, either normal water, to cook this. And this is the chairman of the occasion, which is my pasta, and I cook this pasta for about 7 minutes with salt, and I use half pack of pasta, which is about 250 grams of pasta. So let's stir this to combine. Please, if you have watched to this point and you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Just help me click the like button too, and this will help me go far. Okay, so I'll be adding in my chopped yellow bell pepper, green bell pepper, and also my red bell pepper to give this a beautiful color and taste. And you know these peppers are so nutritional, and it has nutritional values too to our health. So we'll stir this to combine to give it a good look. Look at how colorful this is looking. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the notification buttons to get notified.